Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Minecraft, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Minecraft, start by launching the game. You will need to open the Minecraft launcher. If you don't have the launcher installed, download it from the official Minecraft website. Once the launcher is open, log in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, look for the Games tab in the launcher. Select Minecraft from the list of available games. Next, ensure you have purchased a license for the game. If you haven't, you will be prompted to purchase one. Once purchased, the launcher will allow you to download and install the game. Click on the Install button if prompted. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. Once installed, click on the Play button. This will launch Minecraft for you to start playing. If prompted, select the version of the game you wish to activate. After selecting, wait for the game to load completely. You should now be ready to enjoy your Minecraft experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.